you heard life is in the blood. Well, for a plant, the life is in the water. So as long as I'm feeding the plants living water, then they're flourishing. Except when it's 130 degrees in here and everything's baking.
So the water there.
Correct. So everything, and then it recirculates. This one doesn't have the hose because they've been cleaning, but yeah, it all recirculates back into my mixing tank out there, and that's where I feed. I brew my compost tea over at the next greenhouse, and then I supplement the water source in here, and so I have misters and everything on all these towers, and that's what feeds this house. So
Will you reseed this?
I do. We will just peel off the top, and I'll get 3 crops out of this perlite.
I said when you say come off the top, you drop down the floor to
We just basically scrape it just like that.
Oh,
And that's how once we harvest it, this will all get scraped up like this, and we'll reseed it in.
how big did you get this?
All right, so these are microgreens. Let's step over here.